Your home team, the Hutchinson 3rd grade Blue Lightning. Number 2, Titan Hanaha. Number 4, Josh Hilliard. Number 5, Damian Hurt. Number 6, Jared Hilliard. Number 10, Brayden Stringfellow. Number 12, Carson Albert. Number 20, Trey Fields. Number 22, Dante King. Number 24, Camden Jensen. Number 50, Gabriel I. Number 54, Hayden Smith. Number 60, Brayden Dupree. Number 62, Aiden Benton. Number 66, Jaden Mosher. Number 70, Brayden Jensen. Number 72, Tyler Ward. Number 76, Nicholas Lang. Number 80, Garrett Robinson. And number 82, Jackson Runer. Head coaches today, Boyd Jensen, assistant Joe Purdy, Kevin Mosher, Monty Robinson, Chris Ward, Dunbar, your Hutchinson 3rd grade